And welcome to Grandad Reviews. Now, you might have seen in one of my other videos that I've had to go away from mirrorless cameras due to the EVF causing flare-ups in my neurological condition I've got. Now, that meant I sold all my Fuji gear. Well, not all of it. I've still got the XE1 and the XT1 because the XT1's been converted to full spectrum, so I can still use that. And the XE1, it's about on its last leg, so. And I'm going to use it with some of my vintage lenses now and again. Now, I then spoke to my optician about this situation, and she suggested that it's the refresh rate in the EVF. So I looked up refresh rate on the XT3, the main camera I was using, and it's 60 or 100. So looking around at the other mirrorless cameras, because I still needed a camera to do these videos. And what I was using after I got rid of the Fuji's was this little Lumix here. But it's got some disadvantages. Main one being it's only got a 15-minute record limit. So every 15 minutes I've got to remember to restart it or stop it just before then and carry on. And you forget. So you ramble on and then all of a sudden you realise camera's not been recording. Still produces fantastic images. I mean, yeah, the TZ100 is still a very good. It's a 1-inch sensor, 4K. It was excellent. But I wanted something else, something a bit better that I could build on the channel again, try and build the channel back up and just keep myself going. So I had a look around, and the best value that I could find, bearing in mind that I've used Canon lenses on my Fuji for years, so I've got a bit of a collection. So I looked at the Canons, and as you can you'll probably see on a short that I did, I got the R50. Now I've got the R50, because it's small, light, but it's also good value. I got a fantastic deal on the 2-lens kit, and the specs say that the EVF can be either 60 or 120 hertz. So I thought I'd give it a go. So I've had the camera now for a few weeks, and I've set the EVF to its highest refresh rate, which is 120, so it's totally different to what the Fuji's was. Unfortunately, it still causes issues. I'm not sure whether it causes as bad issues, but it definitely causes issues. So for my main photography, I'm still going to be using old DSLRs. Now I've got the 7D Mark II and the 5D Mark III for my general photography, where I'm using the camera for a length of time. But for video and just walk around, quick shots I need for the YouTube channel, B-roll and that kind of thing, I'll be using the R50. Mainly the screen, EVF if I have to, but my main camera for photography is still going to be the old DSLRs. Now, in the future, I'd like to try a newer DSLR. Now, the only options I got is Pentax. Pentax is the only one who still makes DSLRs. So I'm going to see what I can do in the future to get hold of a K1, either the original K1 or the K1 Mark II. I may have to sell something to do that, but we'll see. At the moment, I'm going to stick with the R50 for doing these videos. The video quality out of it is really, really good. So we'll see. We'll see. At the moment, in this video, we're using the EF 17 to 55 2.8, and we'll see if it's kept focus. So that's just a quick update with the channel. It'll be going in a slightly different direction. There'll be less of the Fuji stuff on it. There'll be more film. And I'll probably do something about the R50 after I've had a bit more use out of it. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. That helps the channel. If you want to see more videos like that, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, see you later.